Better together, Workforce Go and Acumatica. Welcome to the overview of the industry-leading real-time bi-directional integration between Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica. Workforce Go provides the ability to seamlessly integrate payroll, people, and time between Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica, providing a unified experience with finance and operations. Here, we see the illustration of that experience showing real-time, bi-directional integration, whether that is employee data from Workforce Go HCM to Acumatica, unlimited sub-accounts, segment values, projects, and tasks from Acumatica to Workforce Go HCM, payroll journal entries from Workforce Go HCM to Acumatica, or even employee time information posting to both Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica. With the seamless Workforce Go HCM Acumatica integration, organizations get the unified experience and requirements to gain the efficiency and insight into the finance, operations, payroll, people, and time information that's important. Let's take a look at this real-time, industry-leading integration in action. As we walk through the integration between Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica, we will focus on the following areas: employees and the ability for Workforce Go HCM to keep Acumatica in sync with employee details, Acumatica sub-accounts, segment values, projects, and tasks, providing the ability to real-time keep Workforce Go HCM cost centers in sync for time collection, management, project or job costing, and payroll allocations. Payroll journal entries with the ability to automatically post payroll journals from Workforce Go HCM to Acumatica with all the required details and information. And finally, time entries, showing employee time details from Workforce Go HCM to Acumatica, or from time activities in Acumatica into Workforce Go HCM. With employee-related information, Workforce Go HCM is your single source of truth of your employee details for hiring, maintaining, and even separating and offboarding with individuals. Employee information can be found within an employee's profile within Workforce Go HCM, mirroring that same information we see within Acumatica. As we maintain the information for employees, such as basic information around dates, we can see those changes happening and synchronizing between the two solutions real time. So here, if I was to update a basic field like a birth date within Workforce Go HCM and save those details, we would be able to real time see that information within Acumatica. In addition to the employee integration, as organizations proceed through their daily operations, they'll be working in Acumatica with such items as sub-accounts, segments, projects, and tasks. As organizations work with those elements in Acumatica via the Workforce Go HCM integration, you will see those same elements in what are known as cost centers within Workforce Go HCM. Here, we can see the matching job, task, and cost types. As we continue to maintain and update those elements, we'll be able to see that real-time integration taking place between the two solutions. As we add that element within Acumatica, real-time, we'll be able to go back to Workforce Go HCM and see those exact details. With being able to synchronize our sub-accounts, segments, projects, and task elements to cost centers between Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica real-time, our employees can engage with those same details on a day-in and day-out basis as well. Those activities would include things like time collection and management, as well as when processing payroll, ensuring that our journal entries are allocated appropriately. If we look at our timesheet engagement from Workforce Go HCM, we can see the needed details within our timesheet and drive into all of those. Looking at Maxwell Baker for this particular pay period, not only can we see a summary of his time information, but within his actual timesheet, we can see day by day how we've collected that time and where he was actually spending his time with the example 3 elements of project, task, and cost type in this case. As timesheets are reviewed and approved, this timesheet information can synchronize via the real-time integration between Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica, allowing us in Acumatica to go into time activities and view those exact same timesheet details. Here, we can see a list of those timesheets, again referencing Maxwell Baker and the particular pay period. As we view his specific timesheet, we see the same elements that we saw within Workforce Go HCM, including day-by-day summaries of the time, if the time is billable, and how that team member's time is being allocated by job, cost code, and other elements. This is also a good area to note that with our integration between Workforce Go HCM and Acumatica, time-related details can flow from Workforce Go HCM to Acumatica, or the opposite direction as well, allowing time collection in Acumatica via time activities and flowing that to Workforce Go HCM timesheets. The final area of our Workforce Go HCM Acumatica integration that we want to review is actually posting payroll journals from Workforce Go HCM to Acumatica. Within Workforce Go HCM, we will manage all of your payroll processing. When looking at those payrolls, we can see here the finalized payrolls for the month of March. Once payrolls are finalized in Workforce Go HCM, the journal entries are automatically posted within Acumatica down to the applicable details that each organization requires to see. If we look at a general ledger summary report, we can see the details going down to the employee level and all of the Acumatica elements that we need included through the debits and credits. Organizations are able to see that exact same information in Acumatica looking at those journal postings as well. Looking at our journal entries within Acumatica, we view our payroll journals and are able to see those same transactions, in this case those March payrolls, and the ability to view the details that were posted post-payroll finalizing within Workforce Go HCM, again, down to the smallest detail of information that we want to see.